Christians believe that God, Word of God Kalimuttallah, or Spirit of God Ruallah, came to this world as the perfect man. This man's name was Jesus. Thus, Son of Man, that is human Jesus, had Spirit of God or Word of God. So Jesus is 100% man and 100% God. And that is why Son of God is a title to indicate deity of Jesus. Christians recognize that human body is just a shell. The God who is within this human, whose name is Jesus, is the way and the truth and the life. So they extended implication of name Jesus to God, who is eternal, one without beginning and without end. They simply claim Jesus is God. Here, kindly try to understand what Christians believe and do not analyze based on your own understanding and perception of Christianity. Christians started using name Jesus as synonym of God. I think that created a confusion for non-Christians and also with Christians who do not dig deeper into their faith. As calling Jesus as God is technically true, there was no need to educate Christians unless they start questioning how Jesus can be God, just like non-Christians. This approach only added fuel into fire because common Christians, when confronted by non-Christians, projected an impression that Christians worship Jesus, a human, as God. As more and more non-Christians started claiming this misunderstanding, the rumor became a fact for those who did not investigate. Hope now you understand what is basic Christian belief Jesus is God actually means. This will help you to understand that Son of Man, Jesus, was not able to do anything without the Spirit of God which was within him. Now you can easily understand that God is greater than Jesus, and yet Jesus was able to say, I and Father are one, without contradicting anything. Let me know if you cannot understand what I said or have some doubts. Kindly make sure that you do not use your prior understanding and beliefs to question. You need to, what they call, unlearn before you can learn what I am saying. God bless you and your family, and for more information contact at sjcinternationalministries@gmail.com. God bless you.